Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Missbt here, coming to you guys today with a quick clean with me kitchen and living room. If you're in the need of a little cleaning motivation, join me in my kitchen and let's get started. But first, coffee me please. Okay, so here I am just making my daily coffee. I do an iced coffee pretty much every morning, and I just recycle the Starbucks Trenta and Venti size cups, and I'll just use them one additional time to make my iced coffee, toss them in the trash once I'm done. It's perfect. It's a good recycling system. And as you can see here, I am pumped about my coffee, and I'm getting ready to get started on this kitchen, which is like, bleh, gross, ugh, disgusting. But anyway, so you guys are here for a little motivation, little cleaning motivation. So I'm just gonna let you guys just vibe out with me. So once I've unloaded the dishwasher, I'm basically just going to reload it. And I do like to wash my dishes lightly before I do put them in the dishwasher, because our dishwasher is not super powerful. So, you know, I don't want dirty dishes, you know, like I'm gonna just wash them a little bit and then I'm gonna let the dishwasher finish washing them and dry them, you know, like anybody else do that? I know it's like double work, but it is what it is. And if my mom saw this, she'd be so upset that I'm even putting pots and pans in the dishwasher. Did y'all's parents tell y'all not to do that? Because I do it. But anyway, so the brush that I'm using is from Grove Collaborative. I'll have the information down below if you guys are interested in checking out Grove. That's where I get a lot of my cleaning supplies. And I love this brush because you can just pop off the brush head and replace it with a new one. So you don't have to like always get a new brush. It's amazing. I love it. So having an interchangeable brush head is super strong and it cleans anything and everything. Alright, so next I'm going to go into the living room and do a little light picking up in here. So what you're going to see me do is fold up a few things. This is Little Bear's little sleeping bag, and I got this from Target. So if I can find it again, I will link it down below. But it is so cute for nap time. Like, I love it, and it matches our couch, so it stays in the living room. But what you'll see me do is just kind of take up all the toys. I'm going to do a little wipe down in here, as well as vacuuming the couch cushions. And as you can see, some of the cushions look to be a little worn, and they're not really worn, but they're where we've been sitting a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and just do some rearranging. I like to do that to keep our cushions nice and fluffy. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. You will not see me vacuum the floor because there's a guest appearance in this video that you guys will see here in a few minutes. All right, so once I'm done fluffing up all the pillows and rearranging the couch, I'm gonna go ahead and just fix this little area over here by the TV. So that white thing right there is an air purifier. Got that on Amazon. I'll link it down below in my Amazon shop. But we love it, love it, love it. I have asthma and allergies really bad, so that really helps kind of keep the air clean. But the greenery that's around it, it's random. I asked my mom to pick it up for me while she was out shopping because they were on sale. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but they just kind of sit there for now. And the credenza underneath the TV I got from Wayfair. It's a mirrored credenza. I just keep my candles and room scents. There's some games in there like cards and dominoes and stuff like that. And then some media stuff. But you'll see that I'm just cleaning it really good with the sprayway cleaner. I just use a microfiber cloth with that. And I do have a toddler, as you guys know. So you can only imagine how fingerprinty. It's not even dirty, just fingerprinty this thing was. Alright guys, well that's all I have for y'all today. Thank you so much for joining me in this quick clean with me kitchen and living room. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. See you later.